Hello everyone, welcome to the first series of Soft Glam and Hard Truth by Onyeka. I decided to do this series so that we can have some good talk while we learn. If you're in your 20s or 30s and sometimes you feel a little lost, this is for you. I'm starting the skin with the skin prep because every good makeup needs good base. You need to moisturize, you need to massage it into the skin very well, and you need to prime the face. And honestly, life works the same way. In your 20s and 30s, or when you're building your friendship, your career, and sometimes discovering who you are. So I'm starting with the foundation, and I like to do it from the jawline to blend with the neck and also the hairline. And you blend the foundation very well. And to be honest, most people make it look like they have everything figured out. But many of us are just blending things together and hope things work. And now I'm contouring, and we know that life has, different highs and lows, just the same way with makeup. So make sure you blend very well. I've added the blush because yes, we need some color, we need some fun in our life. Everything cannot be just too serious. Next is the concealer, and just like I'm covering the dark circles, sometimes we try to hide the fact behind that we're feeling lost. It doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're glowing, you're growing, and you're glowing. So this is me setting the concealer after I have, set it with the setting powder. Now I'm baking and preparing so that in case we have any fallout, this baking will help. I'm lining the eyes with a gel liner, and very soon I will start with the lips, and I'm contouring the lips with the lip liner, the darker lip liner. Then I added another pink, then another pink. So I'm going dark, lighter, lightest. The lightest will be in the middle. Now I'm filling the brows, and the brows frame the face. The brow is very important, just like the decisions we make. The decisions we make frames our lives. So now you see the way I'm just doing it with light strokes, and make sure you fill in with light strokes. That is what will make it look natural. Soft glam is all about enhancing what is already there, and that's the truth about life too. Sometimes you don't need to become somebody else. You don't need to become somebody new. You just need to grow into who you already are. And that's what we do with makeup. We just enhance what we already have. Say this is me crossing my T's and dotting my I's. Adding the blush. Like I said before, adding fun. Don't be too serious. Don't be too serious. Add some colors. Sometimes we are confused. So I've set the face with a setting spray, and now I'm just adding some shine to the lips. So my dears, if you feel behind sometimes, just breathe. You're not late, you're becoming. I hope you enjoyed the Soft Glam and Hard Truth by Onyeka. Bye.